Absolutely. The internet's better. You know, it's becoming more Americanized for sure. I mean, like, you know, supply. People want their stuff. People want it. They're willing to pay for it as well. I just can't stop this boat right now. If I was to run aground, it'd be running aground pretty hard. 2.9. It's a bit terrifying, but you build confidence up. 3 feet under the keel. I mean, that's a lot of water. 3 feet. I mean, come on. 2 feet under the keel. Oh, we're seeing some real skitty water right now. 1.9. We're at low tide. Actually, we're on a rising tide. 1.8. 1.7. 2 feet. But it doesn't matter. The chart says I've got barely enough water even on low tide. I do. I'm going to make it. Just one more little part here. We're good. And I'm on a heel. I think that would lift the keel up even better. We're good. Makes me skinnier.
We're just about past this island. The wind's going to pick up again.
Yes, good point. Hey, that's a great point, Sandy. I mean, the island just blocked our wind, and you're absolutely right. And it just killed our wind for a second because we were doing 6.8 under full sail here, and here we go. Yeah, Sandy, that's what I like about you. Okay, right on. Here we go. Picking up speed now. That's what I like. A little bit of speed. Look at. The Navicula has 3 reefs in the main sail. I just told you we were under full sail. That's wrong. I have 1 reef. The first reef is in. We were just out on the ocean side. It was really rolly out there. We had the preventer on the boom with a bit of a downwind sail, really rolly. So we came back inside, and we are in 3 feet of water. Woo! 3 under our keel, 3.8. There we go. This is good. And we're sailing here now. And it's just a beautiful thing. Love this stuff. All right. This is a sailing video.